Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into everything beauty. If you're a fan of setting powders that promise to give you a flawless finish, today's review is for you. We're taking a closer look at the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder in the shade Fair Light. This is a mineral-based formula that promises to control shine, smooth out your skin texture, and provide a natural, airbrushed finish. So what exactly is this product about? The Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder is designed to do two key things: control shine and set your makeup. With its lightweight mineral formula, it provides just enough coverage to leave you with a smooth, even complexion without looking cakey. The powder is perfect for a range of skin tones from ivory to mocha, offering a "I woke up like this" finish. It's meant to be a quick and easy solution to keep your face fresh all day long. Now, let's talk about how this powder actually performed in real life. Personally, I've been using this for a few weeks now, and I can confidently say it integrates seamlessly into my routine. I apply it as a setting powder after applying my foundation, and it goes on smooth. The texture is incredibly fine, almost silky, and blends into the skin effortlessly. I've worn it through multiple occasions, everything from a quick grocery run to a long day at work, and it definitely holds up. There was no excess shine peeking through, and my makeup stayed in place without feeling heavy. The Fair Light shade is a perfect match for my skin tone. It doesn't leave a white cast or make me look ghostly. And the best part? It feels so light on the skin. I didn't experience any cakiness, even when I built up a little more product for areas that needed extra control. Whether you're using this to finish off your makeup or just to keep shine at bay throughout the day, it really does its job well. Now let's weigh out the pros and cons. On the plus side, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder offers a smooth finish, lightweight feel, and does an excellent job at setting makeup and controlling oil. It's easy to apply, blends out well, and doesn't settle into fine lines, which is a huge win for me. The packaging is practical too, no mess, and it dispenses just the right amount of powder. On the flip side, one downside is that it might be too matte for those with dry skin. While it works wonders for oilier complexions, if you tend to have drier skin, you might want to moisturize well before applying. Another minor downside is that the powder can look a bit too dry if applied over a heavily dewy foundation. But that's more about how you layer it into your routine. So what about the price? Is this worth the investment? For the cost, I think it's a solid buy. You're getting great performance for the price point. The product is affordable, and it works as promised. It competes well with high-end setting powders without breaking the bank. It doesn't just provide a setting effect, it also helps refine the texture of your skin, giving you that smooth, flawless look. For anyone looking to control shine while maintaining a fresh complexion, this powder does the job without the hefty price tag. In terms of comparisons, I've used other setting powders that are more expensive, but honestly, this one is a winner. It offers similar performance to higher-end options, like those from Laura Mercier or Fenty Beauty, without the splurge. The texture is just as fine, and the oil control is comparable. Now, let's talk about the packaging and build quality. The Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder comes in a sleek, compact container with a sifter that controls the powder flow. It's simple and functional, and it doesn't spill everywhere. The powder inside is finely milled, which ensures an even, smooth application every time. As for longevity, I've found that this powder holds up throughout the day. It doesn't fade, and I don't need to reapply during a typical 8-hour workday. For something that provides a matte finish, I'm impressed by how it balances oil control and skin smoothness over time. Customer support for Maybelline has always been reliable in my experience. They respond quickly to inquiries, and their products are generally available at multiple retailers, which makes purchasing and returns easy. If you're looking for alternatives, there are a few other setting powders that might offer a similar effect, but at different price points. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Sweep and Lock Setting Powder is another great option to consider, as it offers long-lasting wear at a comparable price. However, if you're into something more high-end, the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder is a great option for that luxurious feel, though it comes at a higher price. In conclusion, the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder is an excellent choice for anyone wanting to set their makeup with a light, smooth finish. It offers great value for money, performs well, and provides a matte finish without feeling too dry or heavy. For those looking for an affordable, reliable option to control shine and keep their makeup in place all day, this is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.